Hi everyone, this is Selvi. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today it's going to be an introduction video about our new series on product management. So we already started Scrum for Beginners. This is going to be in a very similar way, but this is going to talk about product management. So what are we going to cover as part of this series? This episode is going to talk about that overall agenda. Without further delay, let's get started. What are the topics we are going to cover as part of this series? We will be starting from the basics. So, what is product? What is product goal? What is product vision? What is product strategy? Different terminologies. What are they talking all about? We are going to cover as part of our first session. The next thing is understanding the customer. It's very important we should know who is our customer. So, how are we going to do that? By conducting customer interviews, surveys, and also we will be trying to understand about the target audience, uh, user personas, empathy maps. And then we will also be doing some kind of market analysis, competitive study. So, all these things are going to be covered as part of this topic, understanding the customer. Okay, we learned about our customer. What is the next step? Collect the requirements, add all those requirements as part of our product backlog. So, the next topic is all about what is product backlog, how are we going to maintain it. Okay, we have all the topics in our product backlog. How are we going to prioritize it? Because we cannot work on all the topics. We just need to have some kind of order. How that order is going to be achieved with the help of priority. So for that, we are going to use some techniques. So we will be discussing about that prioritization techniques. Okay. But we have some best practices, right? How are we going to write the user stories so that they are very effective? Because user stories are the um, topics or the tool that is helping each and every person in the Scrum team to understand what is the user expectation, what is the value we need to deliver, what is the goal of the story, right? So we need to ensure that we are following certain guidelines and we also have some best practices so that the user story is actually conveying the right information to a developer, to a tester, to a product owner to accept the story. So it's very important how are we going to design the user stories in an effective way. We will be discussing about that. We have other work item types, technical debts and enablers. We do have defects. We will be talking about them as well. How are we going to manage them? That is also very, very important. The next thing is we know now our backlog is full of these different work item types. How are we going to refine them? What is our strategy? What are we going to do as part of our preparation as a product owner to get into the backlog refinement session? What exactly we will be doing in the backlog refinement session? All those things we will be discussing as part of refining the backlog. So, from the product management point of view, what is the outcome that we expect as part of the refinement? That also we will be discussing. The next thing is very important topic, collaboration. So, as a product management person, how am I going to collaborate with my Scrum Master, with my development team, so that I am available to provide the right information as a product owner, and also I am able to understand if there are any queries coming in so that I can clarify immediately. And for every event, how I am going to make myself available so that I am ensuring that I am delivering the right information at right time. So this is one of the key topic as part of collaboration we are going to discuss. I slightly touched upon this point as part of Scrum events. We are going to get into details. So, as a product management person, maybe a product owner or a product manager, what is my participation in the Scrum events? We have different Scrum events. Am I going to participate in each and every event? Or if I'm participating, what are the events I'm very much excited or eager to participate? So, all those things we'll be discussing here. And especially two topics we are going to discuss in detail. One is sprint review and another one is sprint retrospective meeting. The next topic is cross-functional collaboration. So we talked about the collaboration with Scrum Master and development team. We need to collaborate with other teams as well, like marketing team, sales team, design team, operations team. So we will be discussing about those collaboration options and the approaches. The next thing is value. We used to hear this word business value a lot. So we first try to understand what is the value, what is a business value, what is a business value workshop that we conduct so that we know what is the business value of a particular topic and what are the KPIs that we measure to understand whether we are successfully delivering a value or we have identified some gaps. So delivering and measuring is a value that we will be discussing as a topic here. The next thing is value delivery. So we deliver in increments, in different iterations or in sprints. So how that is going to happen and how that uh, value delivery is going to work in increments. Next thing is dependency management. This is a very important topic even as a product owner. We will be discussing even in the Scrum series as well. But how as a product management person I'm handling the dependencies, how am I identifying the dependencies, how to plan the actions for the dependency management, and what are the steps I will be taking care as part of dependency management. The final topic is all about product roadmap. What are the types of roadmap that we can create, and what are the releases that we can plan, how the product release plan is going to look like, all those things. How launch and release are different. Are they same? No. Yes, we will discuss about that. And launch plan and go to market strategy and even release plan also we will be discussing here. So these are the topics we will be overall covering in this product management for beginners series. I hope so. I'm very sure it's a packed agenda, but this series will definitely uh, helpful for people who are getting into the roles of product manager or product owner, or maybe you're interested to learn about the overall product management. Uh, for sure, this series will help you to learn the core topics. I am excited. I hope the agenda is also very exciting for most of you. If you are liking the agenda and if you are very much excited about this series, please hit the like button and also share your comments or feedback in the comment section. And if you have any kind of feedback or any other topic that you are looking for as part of the series, please share that as well in the comment section so that it will be really beneficial. And if you are liking this content and if you feel like this content is going to be helpful for some of your friends who are looking for product management uh, opportunities or they are looking for some learning in the product management, please do share with them. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If not, please subscribe to the channel. That is going to be a really and motivating factor for me to share a lot of content in this channel. Thank you so much. Stay connected. And before closing the episode, I just want to call out one more thing. Some people may have the question, Selvi, what about the Scrum for Beginners series? Will there be any kind of change? No change. We will be having a video coming on Scrum for Beginners topic, which is a series. We have already shared 3 episodes on that. Every Saturday, there will be one topic or episode that will be published on Scrum for Beginner series, and for product management related series, which is the current one that we are discussing. You will be able to see a video coming every Thursday. So this is the cadence we are going to follow. Apologies, we were not following really a cadence for the previous series. That's a learning for me. So just as an improvement option, we are just going to stick with this weekly cadence. A product management series on Thursday and Scrum for beginner series on Saturdays. So hopefully you all are excited to get into this journey of learning product management related topics. I'm excited. Please share your thoughts, comments, and feedback in the comment section. If you're liking, please like the video. Thank you so much. Stay connected, and we will meet on Thursday with our first topic. Thank you so much. Happy learning.